Hello everybody, I hope you're having a great day. Today we are in a very beautiful place. You know, I have always been planning and dreaming about visiting this place, so I didn't get the chance before, but now here I am. And yeah, it is nothing else but the Rheinfall, the famous Rheinfall. As you can see, the beautiful view from there. And we are here, and today we're gonna take you on a tour of walking around this Rheinfall, and also showing you some beautiful places which is located in between the Rheinfall and also up there the hill that you can go, and yeah, you can also visit this place with us, and we are going to show you the most attractive places and attractions that we can show you also. Yeah, let's go and discover it together.